You see, we got rain in Medjugorje. A rainy Monday, the 27th of February. And I show you a bit around here at the sanctuary in the afternoon. Just did a video in the church. Check it out. We are still in between winter, spring. Rain comes back, should be the next few days. Rain, we will see. Here's Our Lady, beautiful as always. And it's a rainy day at the sanctuary. And I take you now, you see, past the Adoration Chapel, which is over here. And I show you famous restaurants, Burrito, which is over there. We have here the information, the bookshop, and we keep on going through this passage here. It's a commercial passage. Go through here. See, off-season things are closed. Refurbishment happening, renovation. And then you keep on going straight on. Some shops are open, the big one. See here, renovation on this side. And then you have famous restaurant Burrito on this side. You go here and you see this is restaurant Burrito. That's how you find restaurant Burrito, town center here in Medjugorje.